me an antibiotic without the prescription of doctor, since it may be because of this kind of issue, wherein it is very beneficial to me, not only to me but also to other people around me, because I can apply it not only for my family, and but also I can share it to others, this kind of experience.
Hi, good morning. I am Andrea Dulay. I am biology student. Today, I'll explain to you the multi-drug resistance in bacteria. Multiple drug resistance in bacteria may be generated by one of two mechanisms. First, this bacteria may appropriate multiple genes, each coding for resistance to a single drug within a single cell. This accommodation occurs typically on resistance or plasmids. Chemical mechanism or resistance. It is the first necessary for us to review verified, commonly encountered mechanisms of resistance.
Good day everyone, I'm Jonalyn Rivera from Group 4, and I am going to discuss about the development of multi-drugs resistance microbes. So, how a bacteria becomes multi-drug resistant? So, bacteria create a defense strategies called resistant mechanism, and do so by using its instruction provided by their own DNA. Bacterium can sometimes share their DNA and make other germs resistant. Example of defense strategies is including bacteria, restricting the access of multiple antibiotics. Most bacteria gets rid of the antibiotic by using pumps in their cell wall to remove antibiotic drug that enters the cell. Bacteria can also destroy the antibiotic by using its enzymes to break down the drugs. Most antibiotics are designed to single out and destroy bacteria. However, they can change the antibiotic's target and will no longer fit and attach to the cell wall. For example, E. coli. Bacteria with the MCR1 gene can add a compound to the outside of a cell wall so that the drug cannot latch onto it. Although drugs that fight bacteria eliminate them, as we use more of the drugs, bacteria finds a novel ways to survive, making them resistant to multiple drugs. What causes multi-drug resistance? So, drug resistance can happen through the repetition use of the same drug. Most common one is antibiotic. Although some bacteria will be eliminated, most certainly a group will survive and may develop a stronger resistance to antibiotic. When a bacteria becomes resistant, the antibiotic can no longer affect the bacteria. These bacteria can grow and spread and can cause diseases that are harder to treatment because of their resistance. Bacteria can even spread the resistance to other types of bacteria they met, making them spread rapidly and much more difficult to handle. Many ways to prevent this is learning how antibiotics use and develop for necessary purpose. Treating any bacteria problems is very difficult when antibiotics no longer any effect of the patients to the bacteria multi-drug resistance and strong defense mechanism of the certain bacteria.
This ESBL, or extended is spectrum
Although drugs that fight bacteria
Bacteria may be generated. These bacteria